Hi, in this video I'll show you how you can add perspective effect in Canva. So Canva doesn't have a native feature where you can add a perspective effect to a photo, which is quite embarrassing given that this tool has almost everything except for a simple perspective effect, which is something that should be common in photo editing app. But anyway, here's how you can add a perspective effect to a photo in Canva. First, you have to click on the picture that you want to add the effect. I'm going to put this photo or this poster into this poster mockup. As you can see, the size is different, the dimension is different, so we want to put this photo to look like it blends nicely with the rest of the photo. I'm going to put it here, and after that, let's go to the app sections and search for reshape. That is the name of the app that we want to use. Click reshape and select open. And now you want to select perspective. So after that, you will see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 control points that will be used to control the perspective of this particular picture. I'm going to make this area to be smaller because the right side is bigger, but the left side is smaller. And let's move it slightly to the bottom. I guess I'm going to put it more moderate here. As you can see, the image is actually a little bigger than the actual photo, but that's okay. We can deal with that later. When you're done, you can click save, and what's going to happen is this tool, Reshape, will upload the photo to your Canva library before you can eventually use this photo on your design. Okay, now the photo has been uploaded, and now I need to make this image to fit nicely with the mockup. So I'm going to set the transparency to be a bit lower so I can see the background. Now let's close this tool. We don't need that anymore. I'm going to double click on it, and I'm going to squeeze this image around this size. And as you can see, there is these two control points. Let's press and hold the shift key and click and drag that control point into this area. So I think this is alright, and when you're done, click this button and we are good to go. So that's basically how you can add a perspective effect to a photo in Canva. I hope you find this video helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.